How's it going? My name is Kalhil Adames and I am a virtual production producer for View Technologies. And right here we are at the Samsung and View NAB booth where we are showcasing a total smart studio control system and as well as the View 1 Mini product here that we have in conjunction with Antilatency. So where Antilatency comes into play is really cool. Around the View 1 Mini we have added markers that they provide so that the wall itself comes with tracking integrated. Can I actually show you like a really cool demo of that? So I'm gonna be standing right here. Yeah, go for it. All right, there you go. Now we have the tracking enabled. So any image that you want, you're able to just move around. This is the actual tracking device that goes on top of your camera. All the cinematographers love it because it's just very small and it's very precise. And so for us, we wanted to include it with the View 1 Mini. So every time somebody purchases a View 1 Mini product, it comes with this device and the integrated camera tracking. This sensor here is reading those markers because it's using infrared technology to be able to detect a very specific pattern so that it can create the tracking that it needs. Being able to do internal tracking and having that integrated into a volume, I think it's definitely the future of virtual production because it's just very simple to be able to grab something, put it on top of the camera, and just activate a button and then automatically have tracking. Normally you will go into a stage, you will build a bunch of different markers into a studio, and normally they're very fixed and it doesn't allow you to really have the flexibility. This whole volume is going to be moved all around different studios and different offices, and so we needed a solution that could stick with the product and can move with the product. Anti-latency has been an amazing solution. As we move the View 1 Mini, the trackers are essentially moving with it. What you can do is that you can stack this View 1 Mini. So if you wanted to have like a longer shot or if you wanted to do like a 90 degrees angle, and so with just one little tracker, you'll be able to go from one View 1 Mini to the other and to the other and to the other and to the other. Let's say you have multiple cameras, you're able to put as many tracking devices as you want. You have one camera doing the tracking, then you can activate the second one that's already installed in a different location, and that one takes over. You can use trackers for multiple purposes. You can have one tracker so that the background moves when the camera moves. You can use another tracker to just track an actor or something virtually on the scene. If this was a background with a bunch of different boxes, you can have a device connected to one of those boxes, and so if you're moving that tracker around, one of those boxes in the background can be moved around. So there's a lot of really cool creative possibilities that we can explore together, and Antilatency is totally equipped for us to be able to play with that.